It's a 360. We're looking at SpaceX launch site. It's a windy day, and I do apologize for the wind. We're doing a 360 here. Look at the ocean and back to SpaceX. We're going toward the north here. That's in the distance there. We see South Padre Island. It's the Gulf of Mexico. Looking east. Turning toward the south. A lot of clouds out there. Cloudy day, cloudy day. So this is south. We're looking over toward the Mexico. 2 miles that way is Mexico. Come over this way. We got all that again. The sun. See how close we can get. Don't want to look too close at that. Okay. Alright, I'm back to SpaceX. Got some clouds up there too. In the distance you can see there's a bridge back there. That's the bridge that goes to South Padre Island. Goes from Port Isabel on the left to South Padre on the right. Those are some of the buildings at South Padre Island. You know, the little city over there. And again, to the right is the ocean, Gulf of Mexico. So that's where we are. That's where we are. South Texas.